If you're searching how to buy shares of Better Home and Finance Holding Co., this video shows the steps. The company operates in residential real estate and financing and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker BETR. This is educational content, not financial advice, so always research and understand the risks before investing. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example. After registering, you must verify your account, which usually requires an ID, and you will need to add funds before purchasing. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker BETR to locate Better Home and Finance Holding Co. Confirm you select the NASDAQ listing that matches the company name and ticker. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart for context. Double-check the company name and the NASDAQ ticker BETR to confirm it is the correct stock. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order will execute when trading resumes. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade executes, you will see your new position in the portfolio, a soft CTA. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to explore the platform further.